Hi guys! Kumusta kayo? In today's video ay ipapakita ko kung paano ko niluluto ang recipe na ukoy. Ito yung take ko sa dish na ito and it turned out really good. Alright, so umpisahan natin sa mga sangkap. Kailangan natin ng salt and pepper, garlic powder. Kung wala kayong garlic powder, pwede lang yung chopped garlic, spring onions, cornstarch, whole milk, itlog, grated sweet potato, grated carrots, at hipon. Yun lang. So, sa lista ng mga ingredients, check nyo lang ang description box below. So, first off, kuha tayo ng bowl, ilagay ang itlog. I-beat natin ito, mga about mga 30 seconds lang yan, or less. Then, add ang whole milk, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Then, i-mix natin or i-whisk. Then, add natin yung grated sweet potato and grated carrots. Then, i-mix natin. Then, I decided, kasi parang dry pa siya, I decided to add one more egg. And then, ina-add ko na rin ang cornstarch. Then, I mix it using a fork. And then, ina-add ko ang green onions or spring onions and yung hipon. Then, i-mix lang natin ito hanggang sa magiging well combined. Then, i-set aside. And then, kuha tayo ng pan, lagyan ng oil on medium heat. Once mainit na yung oil, ipiprito natin yung hipon, yung mixture. This is on medium-high heat. Okay? Niluto ko ito mga about 3 minutes on each side. Or depende kung thick ba yung mixture nyo or manipis. Alright? So, i-repeat nyo yung process hanggang sa matapos kayo and it's ready to serve. Alright? That's it. And thank you all so much for watching.